All right, next movement is the broad jump. It's very analogous to the vertical jump that we just did, but now we're going to actually ask him to travel a distance. So instead of going straight up, we're going to ask him to kind of go up and out a little bit. I like this because as you're doing this on your own, as you're doing this at home, you can objectively measure if you're making any progress. So it's where your heels are compared to where they land. And again, here, we're going to put the emphasis is on sticking the landing. The same rule applies though. He's going to get nice and tall. He's going to get into that loaded response and he's going to get explosive as possible. But instead, this time, instead of having him reach up toward the sky, I want him to reach toward the far corner of the building. And that's where his trajectory is going to go. And he's going to cover a great deal of ground. And this is going to be used really well because this inherently just has to develop that nice explosive power, but also a little bit more linear. All right, so let's give us a good broad jump. He's going to get nice and tall, small, explosive, and he sticks the landing right there. Again, it's not so graceful, but it's not stuck, but I still want him to stick it. So as you travel a certain distance, let's make a good note of where did you start on day one versus where did you end up once you're finished with the program. What you're going to find is your broad jump gets tremendously better, and you're going to start to really like this as not only a training tool, but also to help develop even more of a vertical jump, and it's going to help with your sprinting. So it should develop some serious straight line linear speed, but that's a different program.